time for one more adventure with Dad. We are starting off the day on Route 66. We are going to start our drive back to Phoenix at Mr. D's. This popular Route 66 destination has all the nostalgia that you're looking for in a 1950s diner. Everything from the cars on the outside to the hot coffee inside. Here, pretend you're actually enjoying your time there, son. We decided to stop over in the mountain ghost town of Jerome, Arizona for lunch. What I did not tell Dad was, this place is haunted. For lunch, I'm taking Dad to the Jerome Grand Hotel, also known as the Asylum. This place is dressed to the nines for Halloween. It used to be the hospital when the mine was open. Now, it is just a haunted hotel with a great view for lunch. This place is kinda creepy, but we don't care. We are here for the food. Granted, the food up here is a bit expensive, but it is good. Oh, that's good. Oh my God. A little small for $5.50. There's more foam on this than there is liquid. It's very good, very small. Alright, here we go. BLT with avocado. This is good. This is good. I like it. So after lunch, we walked around town a little bit. This is now mostly an artist colony. Most of the shops sell goods made locally here in Jerome by the local artist. Visitors come here to shop and eat great food. Instead of heading down the mountain to head home, we decided to go over it, and what a view we got. And just like that, our father-son adventure came to an end. We continued over 7,000 feet over the top of Mingus Mountain and then back to Phoenix. Dad may be joining me on another adventure in a few months. Click that subscribe button and join me on this photographic adventure around the world. And remember, never stop exploring.